Welcome to this easy guidance video for the consideration value section and the agreement details section. After all property details are added, click on Save and Next. The consideration value screen will be displayed. On the consideration value screen, the user can enter the consideration amount. This is the amount exchanged between the buyer and the seller for this property registration transaction. Please note that the user cannot enter a consideration amount higher than the total market value of all the properties added in the transaction. Now, enter the consideration value in the given field. After entering the consideration value, the next section is payment details. In this section, parties can mention how the consideration amount is exchanged between them. This payment details section is optional. However, if payment details are entered here, the same details will also be printed in the final generated document. If you want to enter payment details, please follow these steps. First, select whether the consideration amount is payable at a future date. Choose either yes or no. Next, select the payment mode from the list. For example, cash, check, demand draft, or online. After that, select the payment date on which the payment was made. Then, enter the payment amount. Now click on the Add button. You can add multiple payment details as per the actual payments made to the seller. The paid amount field shows the total of all payment details entered by the user. The consideration due amount is calculated automatically. It is calculated as total consideration amount minus paid amount. Once all these details are entered, click on Save and continue to proceed to the Agreement Details section. In the Agreement Details section, previously executed sale agreement or construction agreement details can be added. This section is optional for completing the creation of a sale deed through presenceless registration. To add a sale agreement or construction agreement, select the respective option from agreement type. Once the agreement type is selected, enter the sub-registrar office details. Next, select the book number. You can find the book number on the registered document in the registration endorsement section. After that, enter the document number. Then, select the year in which the document was registered. Once all these details are entered, click on the Add button. You can add multiple sale agreement and construction agreement details on this screen. Once all agreements are added, click on Save and Continue. This completes the guidance video for the consideration value section and the agreement details section.